This is our sigon tree farm. This is the woodcutter boy. Here you will get more than 500 sigon trees, and we have planted these sigon trees 10 years ago, but still the size of trees not enough in size because this is the bamboo shoot, and we are just coming to cutting bamboo shoot, but we are not getting any bamboo shoot in this farm because low quality bamboo trees here. Because when we was come to cutting bamboo shoot, at this moment we suddenly see a dry snake on the top of bamboo trees. That's why we are just coming back at our house, because the snake is very long and thin. It was a very terrible snake. Now we are going back our house, and you see guys, so many betel nut also you will get to see at this beautiful farm. And at this time the weather is very quiet and pleasant and hotty. And you see here, this is the betel nut tree. Here are more than 100 betel nut trees you will find to see. He is the bamboo cutter, bamboo boy. Hello, bamboo boy. He is taking ska, and woodcutter machine also he is taking, and he was just come out to cutting bamboo shoot, but he suddenly saw a big dry snakes on the top of the bamboo. That's why we are just coming back. Thank you guys.